Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to know how many memory slots are there on our PC. Here we can see the size of installed RAM only. So, let's do it. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Go to browser, type CPUZ, go to the first site, choose setup version and download it. Click on the installer and we install it. Be sure that the checkbox is checked. It's installed. Open it. And here, in memory section, there is a general info of RAM, type and size. But in the next section you can see the number of slots. In my PC there are 4 slots, and there are 2, each 16 GB of RAM in it. And by the way, for more info, if you also have 4 slots and 2 RAMs, in that case they must be in first and third slots or second and fourth slot. It helps maintain the dual channel advantage. The slot allocation is hence important for efficient running of dual channel RAMs. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!